Greetings, everybody, my wounded civilian family, the great people of Edo State, the great people of Delta State, my Midwestern family. I am here again to talk about what is going on in our country. It's not about the politics. I don't want to talk about the politics today. I don't want to talk about this IPOPICS, this terrorist group, or this or no government, or the bandit, or the Boko Haram, or the corrupt politicians in government. I want to talk about my friend, my brother, Odumeje, and that little girl they call Ada Jesus. You see, in life, whatever you do, you have to use your economy, use your brain. Use your brain. People are saying that this girl they call Ada Jesus offended the pastor Odumeje and native doctor and others. They said the native doctor forgive the little girl. I call her little girl. That doesn't mean she's little. She's an adult. I just call her little girl because of her behavior. That the native doctor forgive the girl, the Ada Jesus girl, and also gave her some money because she is sick now. Some say she have kidney problem and suffering a stroke. And they took the girl to Odumeje Church, and retired doctor was there, and she was saying all kinds of nonsense to me. She was talking nonsense. Seeing the girl, you know that girl need help, and she's suffering. Anybody that sees that girl, at least you must have some sympathy. But still, this lady, they called retired doctor, were, you know, vibrating, even swearing for the girl. And they said, Odumeje did not forgive the girl. Odumeje as a pastor supposed to show good example. People look up to you. In the presence of your congregation, you were saying things you're not supposed to say. Instead of you to show some love, demonstrate, you know, do things Jesus will do. Forgive the girl no matter what she did to you. For that, a lot of people, they are all criticizing, insulting, making videos. Nigerians making videos concerning this issue. All of them insulting co-pastors, pastors, they are all making videos insulting Odumeje. Odumeje is this, Odumeje is that. But to me, we the wounded civilian, I said, okay, let me add my voice. Let me tell you people where I stand. To me, Odumeje, you call him man of God. There's some say it is the man of the devil. Now, every day people are making videos. Some people they want to be relevant. Some people want to be popular with this issue, of Odumeje concerning this Ada Jesus. But the truth is very bitter. Odumeje is a human being too. Don't forget that. Odumeje is a human being too. Odumeje don't pretend, though. Odumeje will not pretend. He will tell you how he feels. He have rights. When somebody offended you, you have right to forgive that person. You have right not to. It's your choice. Let nobody push you to it. Because there's something I want you people to know. Odumeje forgive Ada Jesus or not, that will not cure that girl. Forgiving that girl will make no difference. The time you people spend talking about Odumeje, why can't you use that same energy to donate money to fly that girl out of Nigeria for treatment? She needs a medical doctor. She needs some medical treatment. Not prayer. Not Odumeje forgiveness. She needs medical doctor to treat her, to diagnose her and treat her. That girl she's dying. Sorry to say this, but she's sick. I pray for her recovery. I pray for God to cure her. I pray God to heal her. But the truth, she is sick. And she needs some medical attention. Now, not all these videos people are making against Odumeje. Insult Odumeje, to me, I don't really blame Odumeje. I only blame him. Opportunity for him to demonstrate a man of God, what a man of God is supposed to do, to show to the world that yes, he believes in Christ. Christ will always forgive. And Odumeje blew it. That's Odumeje for you. He is different from the rest. He's not the kind of pastor, you know, in the name of this only thing. Odumeje don't do that. Odumeje don't need to speak like America. Hey, you man, you don't do that. He speak the way he lies. If you like it, fine. If you don't like it, is the anointing that matters. That's Odumeje for you. Insult Odumeje, even insult people like me, I don't care. I blame Odumeje for not forgiving her, but I don't blame Odumeje for saying I don't want to forgive you. It's not by force. Because I will tell you, Ada Jesus, that girl, she's sick. Odumeje have nothing. I have nothing with the sickness. I have nothing with her. It's not Odumeje. Odumeje forgive her. Odumeje did not forgive her. It doesn't matter. Odumeje is not the one. Odumeje is not the reason why she's sick. That is something some of you don't know. I blame her family for even taking her there. You should be taking her to hospital. Go and look for a hospital where you can treat your daughter. Because the family, you are the reason why all these things, I believe all these things happening to her. When she was blackmailing people, insulting people, talking carelessly, insulting his elders. Where were you? I saw first time in history, you see people are, somebody is sick, kidney problem. That's what they said. I don't know. They said kidney problem and also stroke. Somebody is sick and you still see people still saying scandals, still saying heal things against that person that is sick. Then you ask question, why? Somebody is sick, suffering from stroke and kidney problem, and people are still swearing for her. Then you know that person. Go and investigate if that person was a good person. If that person is a good person. Don't just blame people that is saying they don't want to forgive her. Investigate the case. I have seen videos, Igbos making videos, some intelligent people saying, sometimes this girl will be talking recklessly, insulting people, you know, blackmailing people. The mother will be there watching her. Sometimes you'll be asking the mother, give that thing, please, I need that, you know, give me that pen, mama. When she's making video insulting people, they never caution her. Are you getting what I'm saying? Blame people. I blame Odumeje is supposed to forgive the girl. At least to show that Christianity will forgive. That's it. That's all I blame Odumeje for. But that doesn't mean everybody have to be making video insulting Odumeje. Because the way these our brothers, sisters say things on social media against people, blackmailing people, they talk to people as if there is no tomorrow. When you watch some of the videos, this girl, the way she talked, the way she behaved, this arrogant, you know, behavior, she talk as if, you know, all this stuff. It's not good. You see, especially my idol ladies, no men, look at what they are doing on social media. We have problem in Nigeria, they don't talk about it. When you are talking about problem in Nigeria, they don't listen to you. But when you are talking about irrelevant stuff, you kick me, you curse me, your mama this, your papa this, you do this, the hell you see them, all of them will gather. All of them will gather. Making video, insulting, calling for the head of Odumeje will not cure this girl. Will not solve the problem. Ada Jesus, financially, she needs financial assistance. That's what she needs. She needs money. Ego. That's what she needs. You guys have to come together, donate money, and fly out of that country. Go at least where she can be treated. If you people have condemned this girl in the first place, maybe this thing that's happening to her will not have, happened to her. All you shouting and gossiping on social media, could not contribute now. It's time for you to contribute. Contribute something to help her, not to be condemning those that refuse to forgive. It is their life. When you forgive people, God, according to the Bible, God will forgive you your own sin. If Odumeje don't want to forgive her, it is left for Odumeje and God. You would have asked, what is making this man? Have you called this man? Most of this pastor that is running the amount of opportunity for you people to insult Odumeje. Have you called Odumeje and asked him why he refused to forgive that girl? Forgiving that girl, would that save the girl? That is the question. I saw some of our videos. I saw the overwhelmed level of immaturity of this girl. And the childish that abound in her. She talked carelessly. Sometimes she tells lies, make up damaging stories about people. It's not good. This is what people do these days to get viewers, for people to listen to them. Forgiveness comes from the heart. Odumeje is a man who don't pretend. That's what I like about him. Doesn't matter, like I said, Odumeje, it doesn't matter how you feel about Odumeje. Odumeje will just tell you, this is me. Look at how people make their own miracles. Odumeje can boss you when he's doing his miracle. He can take you, That's his own way. That's his own style. He calls himself radical prophet. Sometimes he will say radical prophet. You might laugh. That's Odumeje for you. Let me tell you both something you don't know. The wounds of the heart take time. It takes time to heal. This are that Jesus girl cross the boundary. That's just the truth. Cross so many boundaries. She crossed so many red lines. Maybe that is exactly why she's suffering down. She's sick. Nobody knows. When someone, you that is blaming Odumeje, when someone accuses you of something you know nothing about, someone accuses you of doing something you did not do, then you know what we are talking about. You know what we are talking about. People react differently, to certain issues. Because different people, different thinking. So my people, I don't really have anything against Odumeje. Look at the past, look at the native doctor who forgive her. Maybe native doctor now is sick now. If native doctor don't forgive her or give her money, she die now for this time. God forbid, God forbid. People might come and bomb in shrine. You know, oh, I forgive you, thank you. Some people are quick to forgive. Some are not. There are something you will do to some people, tell you for never in my life will I forgive you. Or maybe I forgive you, please. Day or day, make I day my day. Different people. So for you making video insulting Odumeje, to me, I have nothing really against Odumeje. But you should have forgive that girl in the sake of Christ. I know. But Odumeje asked a very important question. You said my miracle is fake. Then go and bring those that I planned with. You said I plan with people to come and pretend they are sick, and I will come and cure them just to convince people that I have power. Go and bring them. If you can bring them, I will forgive you. To me, I don't see anything in that. Because the way some of us behave, cooking up nasty stories against others, it's not good. Thank you, and God bless.